Assalamualaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to solve exercise B and C of unit number 11, My Side of the Mountain. Come to page number 129 and let's solve the exercise B first, working with words. B1 is change the following verbs to nouns by adding the correct suffix OR or ER. Look up any words you do not know. The first one is create and it will become creator. We will add OR to make the noun. The next one is discover and we will add ER at the end to make the noun. It will become discoverer. The next one is invent and we will add OR and it will become inventor. The next one is invest and we will add OR and it will become investor. Next one is protect and after adding OR it will become protector. Next one is detect and after adding OR it will become detector. Next one is commentate and it will become commentator after adding OR. The next one is inherit and it will become inheritor after adding OR. Next one is inspect and we will add OR and it will become inspector. Next is object and it will become objector after adding OR. Next one is act and it will become actor and we will add OR. The last one is contract and the noun is contractor. We will add OR. The next exercise is use the first 5 words you have formed in sentences of your own. Now we will use first 5 in sentences. Now let's make sentences from the given words. The first word is creator. The sentence is Allah is the best creator. The next word is discoverer. Sir Alexander Fleming is the discoverer of penicillin. C. Inventor. The inventor is trying to market his new product. The next word is investor. Some foreign investors are interested to invest in Pakistan. The last word is protector. Allah is our protector, so we shouldn't be afraid of anything. Now let's move towards exercise C, learning about language. If clauses. Clauses are the group of words that have a subject and predicate. Here are some of the clauses beginning with if. If the weather was better, if I had the money, if she stopped talking, if the builders worked faster, if it was a little bigger. Now the exercise is complete these sentences using the clauses above. Now we have to fill in the blanks by using these clauses. The first one is I would buy this house if I had the money. B. The rat could go through the hole if the hole was a little bigger. C. We could play in the garden if the weather was better. D. I would hear you better if we stopped talking. The last one is we could move into the house if the builders worked faster. The next is conjunctions or relative pronouns. Join these sentences using suitable conjunctions or relative pronouns. We know that conjunctions are the words that are used to join sentences or words, and relative pronouns are the words that are used to refer to a person or thing we have already talked about earlier in the sentence. Now let's solve the exercise A. We wanted to see the film but we had no money. Here we have used the conjunction but, and after when we will join both the sentences, our next letter will be the smaller one. We will write V in small letters and we will omit full stop. Next, B. The dog ran into the road where it was run over by a lorry. The next is the girl was crying because she had hurt her leg. D. Nasir had a broken toe and was unable to play in the match, so he stayed at home and read a book. Here After joining the words, next letter will be small and we will omit the full stops. E. The cat is drinking the milk which I put in the saucer, which is the relative pronoun which has been used for the milk. We have already talked about milk, so for the milk we are using which. F. Eating the grapes of the branch was a fox whose tail was very bushy. Here it is relative pronoun because whose has been used for the fox which has been mentioned earlier in the sentence. G. The man stopped the girl because she had dropped a purse. Here we have used a conjunction because. The next letter she will be in small letters. H. The elephants ate the bananas that were growing in our garden. Here they will be omitted and we will use that instead of they, and it is relative pronoun. I. The car was driven by a man who was very old. Here who is a relative pronoun which has been used for the man. The letter was brought by a boy to whom I gave 10 rupees. Here whom is the relative pronoun which has been used for the boy. Now come to page number 127, exercise E, composition. Write an interview with the boy, asking him about his experiences on the mountain, his home, his pet, how he survived, and any other things that you want to find out. You must also write his answers. Use the details given in the text as well as use your imagination to do this. Now you have to think about a dialogue between you and the boy Sam who was living on the mountain, and what kind of information you want to take from him. Any questions? Think about it. Maybe you will be asked to write a dialogue between you and Sam. Now thank you for listening. Write and solve your exercises on the book and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.